Welcome to the quarterly highlights from Ekal Gramothan Foundation, covering the impactful events from April to June. In this remarkable quarter, new skill centers were inaugurated across 9 states of India, empowering hundreds of rural youth and women with new opportunities. These includes WECs at Harichandanpur and Bhavani Patana in Odisha, Bardhamana and Malda in West Bengal, Rajapathar and CTL Rajapathar in Assam, Kunkuri and Gariyaband in Chhattisgarh, Alduka and Toru in Haryana, Khuti in Jharkhand, Bhagwanpur in Bihar, and Idarsi in Madhya Pradesh, alongside SDC Dharamshal in Himachal Pradesh. This quarter also witnessed a solemn moment of unity. At every EGF center, peaceful protests were held to condemn the horrific terrorist attack in Pahalgam. Students, trainers, and community members stood together to honor the martyrs and raise their voices against the violence. It was a powerful reminder of our commitment to Bharat, to protect, to serve, and to never remain silent in the face of injustice. At our Delhi regional office, we were privileged to welcome Mr. Yogesh Patel and Srimati Usha Jalanji. Their visits brought insightful dialogue, heartfelt encouragement, and a shared vision for expanding skill development and digital empowerment across rural India. Festivals brought color and connection to our centers this quarter, such as Hanuman Janmotsav, Ganga Dashera, Environment Day, Yoga Day, and Ram Navami were joyfully celebrated because at Ekal, education is not just about skills, it's about shaping the whole person. Finally, a special mention to our seeds and vermi bed distribution initiative, rolled out across all IVD centers and GRCs. This program empowers rural households to grow their own organic vegetables. As we move forward, these stories remind us of the power of grassroots change. Each center, each student, each farmer, and every moment of unity is a building block of a stronger, more self-reliant Bharat. Jai Hind.